Richborn Khalpuri, please come forward. Binshailang El Nongwat. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for the boys. Erikson Pansat. Sandur Ravindra. Frankie Dikhal. Frankie Dikhal. Bantebor Onjo. Alistair Thank. Vanangsan Longplang. Vanangsan Longplang.
This is indeed a very proud moment for me, a proud moment for our state, and a very proud moment for each and every one of you. You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French football tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that. And I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France. As a state government, for us sports is very, very important. I always repeat that it is important for us not only because we feel that the talent is there and it just needs the support, and with that support our youngsters can actually perform very well at local as well as national and international tournaments.